So in this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable call waiting on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So the first step is to just open the phone app on your Fold, and then you want to navigate to settings. So normally, if your phone is folded, navigating to settings simply means you tapping on these three dots in the top right corner and then selecting settings. However, when your phone is unfolded, navigating to settings means tapping on this menu bar or this hamburger menu icon on the left hand side of the screen and then choosing this settings option. Once you're in your call settings menu, you then want to scroll and then select the option Supplementary Services. From here, wait for them to load on your Fold. Next, you should see call waiting with a toggle next to it. So in order for you to enable or disable call waiting, you're going to just be tapping on this toggle. Currently, call waiting is enabled, but if I want to turn it off, I'm just going to tap on the toggle once, wait for a few seconds as it loads, and then it will be disabled. If I want to turn it back on, I'm just going to tap on the toggle once, wait a few seconds, and it will be turned back on. And so that's how you can enable or disable call waiting on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.